สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy, and today I would like to show you how to make the famous Thai Sriracha sauce. It is a wonderful flavor to add into any food, and it is very easy to make. Let's take a look at the ingredients. As you can see here, I have the seeded large red pepper, red bird eye chili, brown sugar, pickled garlic, salt, vinegar, and some water. If you like it spicy, you can keep some of the seeds of the bird eye chilies. And now I can boil the chilies with the garlic. You can use high heat here because we need the chilies to be soft before we blend it. Add some water just to cover the chilies. I have the lid on so that the water get boiled easily, and once the water boiled, you can reduce the heat just a little bit. And if you can see here, I have World of Thai Food t-shirt on. If you like to have one or two or three or four of your whole family, you can order it at worldofthaifood.com. And now I'm gonna let it boil for another 15 minutes without lid on. Okay, let's check if it's good to blend now. Right here, if you see the garlic look transparent like this, it means that it's good to mix in the mixer. And as you can see, we have cooked out half of the water. We will drain it a little bit and then mix it in the mixer. Here I use the vinegar to rinse the mixer bowl to take whatever left over in the bowl out. And now we're gonna boil them. I'm going to add half tablespoon of sea salt and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I will lower the heat down a little bit. It needs just medium heat. Keep boiling it or reducing it until the texture of the sauce getting thicker. And here I use the puree without straining it because I like the texture to be a little bit chunky or not too refined because it's homemade, and I think it looks beautiful just like this. Now I have my sauce with the right texture and right taste, so I'm gonna bottle it. And here is my delicious Sriracha sauce. It is good to many things and almost anything. You can have it on your hamburger, fried pork, fried beef, and today I'm gonna have it with my Thai deep fried chicken wings. And if you like to do this at home, I have the ingredients on my website. I have put the link to my website in the link below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. For today, I hope you have a very spicy day. ขอบคุณค่ะ It's so good. You really have to make it at home.